Hi, I'm Adeline. So I started my career with a leading insurer for about 13 years before I moved on to the financial advisory company. So at the FA firm, I stayed for almost 7 years before I joined Financial Alliance. And I'm very happy to say that next year will be my 10 years in Financial Alliance and as well as 30 years in the financial services industry. Since I moved to the FA industry, I've expanded my scope of financial services and solutions to my clients. This allows me to build multiple sources of income, from investment solution to risk management for both personal and corporate clients. But the FA platform has provided many more options and solutions which I could offer my clients. It is not easy to keep abreast of the ever-changing new products and development in the competitive marketplace. So I would not be able to deliver my services competently if not for the excellent and efficient support from Financial Alliance and the useful business tools. For example, we have iBoss, the proprietary business tools for customer relationship management. So at one glance, I could see and view my customer portfolio, and at the same time, I could also access customer documents anywhere, anytime. I also receive timely reminders of clients' birthday, which I will send birthday greetings to my clients. And iBoss is also a main dashboard which provides the link to a suite of business apps which I could service my clients effectively. Other than iBoss, EFC Amethyst is another useful tool to aid in my advisory process. It allows me to guide my clients through the financial advisory planning process in a comprehensive and easy to understand manner, from identifying my client's needs, financial analysis, and eventually the recommendation of suitable solutions to address the client's concerns. It documents the advisory process, and upon implementation, my clients would receive the documents for their record keeping and reference. This also set the stage for our next future review. Last but not least, other than digital tools, we have excellent support from our group and GI team. The team has been essential in helping me build up my GI and group business as well as happy clients. Whenever there is new updates or changes, the team will always reach out to advisors timely and promptly. It is this collaborative teamwork that has helped me to do good, to do right, as well as to do well. To the fresh grad, FA has a comprehensive training program to help you kickstart your career in the financial advisory industry. If you are contemplating mid-career switch, we welcome you to join our family. Many of my colleagues have joined us as a second career, and they are doing well and adjusting to the new career with the strong support given at Financial Alliance. We have built a community where we share and support each other in a company regardless of the teams you belong to. Do join us for our career talks and feel free to talk to the advisors to find out more. Join us.